How to save email to Google Drive on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mailboxes. Then, go to Inbox. You can view all your emails over here. Open any email. If you want to save this email, then tap on the forward button on the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Print. Select the pages you want to print and then tap on the share icon above. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Swipe left and tap on More. Here, scroll down and select Drive from the options. Choose where you want to save it in the Drive app and then tap on Save here. After that, tap on Upload. Following these steps, you can easily save email to Google Drive on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.